In this video, I will show you how to attach pegboard on the walls. So this is going to be full assembly of this. So firstly, let me just unbox it. So this is the pegboard. After you unbox it, you will find out the pegboard. I choose the black one. Also there was like white one. Also with this pegboard, I ordered some extra clips. They were only sending like 5 pieces of clips. That's not fair, so I just ordered some more and it took me like more money. Anyway, this is the main thing for attaching it to the walls, like royal plug, screw and some plastic pieces. This is the main ones. And this is the place where I'm gonna attach, so I'm just marking on this. After making sure everything was good, I used a pencil to locate where I'm gonna drill. After drilling was done, I used royal plugs. And wash this stuff carefully. Firstly, you have to put this plastic on this side and the big one on the bottom, and here is the screw. Do this to all 4 sides and then you have to put it on the wall. So let's start screwing this. So it is finally done. You can see I just put it carefully, and here you can see some tiny plastic pieces. This is for this place so that you don't see the screw. I think, wow, it looks good by the way. And finally you can just clip them in anywhere you want, and yes, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Get a life. Lol. Finally install the pegboard.